Alright, and this is the current state of the downstairs. This room was the second room I got the floor up in. Still a ton of nails in the floor, but that's okay. Most of the boards in this floor are going to come up, just so I can try and fix the joists and stuff. You can see the total size of the house. Got rid of some of this here. Got rid of the big pile of Jenga sticks. I got all the door frames and stuff out. So next big bit will be to get the bathroom and the stairs out. Once I get all the mess up from upstairs, I might take the stairs out and just use it because I got so much small stuff like that. And I might just take the stairs out and just dump it into a pile rather than throwing it here and having it hit my door. So then I can just shovel it rather than anything else. But we'll see how that goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's the current state of the house between the attic and the downstairs.